Minasan, konnichiwa. Comparisons in Japanese using to or ni, kuraberu, compared with. So these are useful in a talk about New Zealand or Japan. To ni kuraberu is used to make comparisons. It is followed by to, if, to mean if you compare. But it is not always necessary to translate the if. So you will see the following patterns, all with similar meaning. To kuraberu to, if or when you compare. To kurabetara, if you compare. Ni kurabete, compared with. So some examples to use. Compared with long ago, life is very different now. Mukashi to kuraberu to, ima no seikatsu wa daibu chigatte imasu. Or, the price of Japanese beef is high compared with that of New Zealand. Nihon no gyuniku wa New Zealand no to kurabetara nedan ga takai desu. Or, there are a lot of cars in this town compared with 10 years ago. 10年前に比べて、この町には車が多くなりました。Or more locally, Wairoa is a quiet town compared to Napier. Napier 市に比べて、Wairoa は静かな町です。Right, so the kuraberu structure is quite handy when comparing one place to another in either New Zealand or Japan. Sayonara.